Here's my battery pack. I got 4 sets of 280 amp hour cells, LiPo 4s. So we're going to hook them to these cables that I made up. And we're going to hook all of these in parallel so that I have 12 volt system. And if I ever need to, I can switch it around to a 24 volt system to run my other power inverter if I need to. Okay, so right now I have 2 batteries in parallel and 2 batteries in parallel. Now, negative to negative, positive to positive. Okay, same here. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Alright, so now I have these 2 in parallel, these 2 in parallel. And what I'll do is I'll take these and hook them up so that I'll have this set and this set in parallel. I'll have all 4 batteries in parallel. Now, a thing to remember is to make these cables identical in length so that they all pull current evenly. You wouldn't think it would make a lot of difference, but it does under high amperage. When you're pulling a heavy load, it'll make a difference, and it'll pull different on the batteries, and it'll make your wires heat up more. So those are all exactly the same, and these 2 will come up here and put that set in parallel with this set. Also, since they are LiPo 4 batteries, I have a heater underneath here, and I'm going to have it set up before I start charging anything. I have to have them above freezing before I charge them, or they'll be ruined the very first time that you do it. So you got to keep them above freezing, and I'm going to do that with a 12 volt automotive seat heater. Okay, and it's sitting underneath all 4 batteries. Now I have a thermometer up here, or a thermostat up here on the batteries, probably over on one of these back batteries. And when the temperature gets down, it'll pull, I forget, 5 watts or so. It wasn't that much, but it's enough to make it warm and keep the batteries from freezing. That'll do it. Okay, everything's hooked up now. So I have 4 batteries in parallel. So I still only have 12 volts here and here, but I got 4 batteries hooked together. So, like I said, these are 280 amp hour per cell, 3.2 volts. So, yeah, add that up. I believe it comes out to around 13 kilowatt hours. Not bad. Yeah, the only problem was the cost. They were $500 for a set of 4. So, yeah, you're talking $2,000 worth of batteries. But 13 kilowatt hours. That's my startup, plus all my 14 golf cart batteries that I have hooked up to the well. We'll be alright.